Yo, what's up? I hope you guys are doing well. I got a couple more stuff today. Wanted to go show you guys. I feel like it's sneaker of the year. Over this last, got a pair of insoles so we can see and test out if they actually fit with the shoe. What do you think? Yo, if I ever get tired of this, you already know where to find it. Same thing, but in a different color scheme. The red or the blue. Woo. So first impression so far, I like that they gave me the OG box. I don't have any box like this. New or retro, old or retro. Also, this is a size 9.5. My true size is a 9, but I kind of wanted to go up a size in case they don't fit. Also because it's a woman's shoe, so I want a little bit more room. Woo. Okay. So they remind me of the gloves, kind of. Oh shit. Look at this. Shit's all the way up. I don't want this shit up, but I don't want to break it either. What do you guys think? Let's look at the insole. I'm about to take it out anyways. It's a nice little soft, colorful insole. I'm gonna have to insole swap it anyway, so let's take that shit off. It's the insole that we get. Yo, this is not, I don't think this is bad. The ortholite ones and shit, but I mean, they get a pair of insoles. My feet started hurting after I pooped outdoors, so I wanted to get some different insoles. One for indoor, one for outdoor, and then one for all day use. Move insoles all day. That's what they say. Insole test. It's kind of nice that the orange accent from the insole matches the sleeve right here. Ooh, it's a good fit. Yo, don't judge me. Nobody out here looking at people's socks. Cover it up, just scrunch it right there. Flip it and scrunch it. One thing I am worried about is this zipper is plastic, right? I can see it breaking over time due to the heat or when you're wearing it outside in the sun. Anyways, it really don't matter though, because as long as the zipper works, it's really all you need just to function this fucking shoe. You need the zipper to function the shoe. But I'm trying to zip it up all the way. This is the highest I can get with my zipper. As you can see, little bit of a zip left. It fits beautiful. Sometimes I like to roll my feet in like this. And if a shoe is too tight, you can't do that. So the ability to do that in these, you already know it's kind of roomy, or I made the right decision with my size. Let me put the other one on and not switch the insoles, just to give it a feel comparison. So regular insoles in there, stickers in there still. I was about to say, it feels a lot more roomy, but that's with the zipper off. Zipper off, zipper all the way up. Yeah, I'll probably be wearing this shit with the zipper off. It has a really soft gradient right here from orange hue going to yellow right here. Anyways, the Nike Sndrs though, I'm probably gonna be wearing these with the regular insoles. And save these for a worse shoe. I'd rather have a little bit more room over additional comfort. Cause my feet was being raised a little bit higher. I brought some different insoles. Something that's a little bit more flatter, more forgiving. Because I wanna let this cushion do the work for me. Feels a lot better. I already put it in this one. A lot more room to zip it up, zip it down. Maybe hide the zippers if you don't want it to show. Got room for that now. Got a lot of different combos. You can wear it like this. You can wear it all the way tucked like that. You can wear it one out, one in, with the zipper out showing. You can wear all of them not showing. Yeah, you can do a lot of things with these. Not to worry about matching with the shoes. Let the shoes do the work for you, you know? It's not that hard, bro. They're a nice looking shoe. Let it speak to you. Let it speak through you. Okay, you guys? Until next time.